Today, we will see how a 4-inch DPC beam is applied on top of a brick wall and how it helps protect the structure from moisture and water penetration.
First, the top of the wall is cleaned and leveled properly so the beam can be installed on a strong and even surface. Next, the reinforcement is positioned carefully. Proper placement helps the concrete beam provide strength and stability. The formwork is fixed at the required height and checked carefully to maintain a uniform 4-inch beam. Now the concrete is placed into the formwork and compacted properly so the beam becomes dense, strong, and uniform.
The concrete surface is leveled carefully to create a smooth and even top surface. This is the completed result, a properly aligned concrete DPC beam installed above the wall. The exact dimensions, reinforcement, and concrete mix should all... A properly designed DPC helps reduce moisture movement through the wall. It can protect internal finishes, improve durability, and help maintain the long-term performance of the building. A properly installed DPC is an important part of moisture protection in many buildings. Good preparation, correct reinforcement placement to quality construction.